we have to do with finalize the on which domain we want to do the blocking. Can you guys hearing my voice? Can you hear my voice all? Please confirm in the chat. Yeah, okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, if you have any questions, I will clear it at the end. Okay, we have to use WordPress for designing purpose now. Okay, we have to use the WordPress. Okay, you have to go for WordPress site. WordPress is a CMS. Okay, WordPress is a CMS. It is called CMS, stands for Content Management System. Here, even though you don't need any technical skill like writing HTML code, CSS, JavaScript, no need any skills. You can directly you can create your own free blog here. If you want a paid blog, then you will get a more features. Even though you can do it in the free also. If you want paid, then more features you will get here. Let's say I will start the website. You have to click on the start website. You can see here it's asking, let's create an account. Let's say I will create my account. I'm creating the username and password. And I'm creating the account. Just you have to go for proceed. And once you logged in, next it will ask the domain name. Domain name, what is the domain? First the concept comes, what is the domain here? Like which domain you want to take it. Example, you can see they have given one screenshot here, https://example.com. It is a one domain. But here try to use your stream or your niche, which industry you want to do the blog. That word has to become in the blog. Example, if you're doing a blog on SEO, then try to add a SEO in that word, in the domain. Means that will give the weightage also, and it will give the identity also. First thing is domain, always try to take the relevant. Let's say I will show you some sample also now. I'm opening Word Notepad. And then you will get a more idea about it. Example, if you are doing for SEO blog, then you take domain like with the word SEO. Like example, I will show learn SEO.com like this one. www. Because that will be weightage. If somebody seen your domain also, they will think it is belongs to what. You can say SEOblog.com. You can take like SEO made easy. Like these all are the domains. Under the domains, these are the extension. Under the extensions, you will get .com, .in. .com stands for company, .in stands for India, .co.in stands for company in India, .org stands for organization, .net stands for network. Like this way, we'll get different extensions. Out of all the extension, one of the common extension is .com. That is called universal. Like any country, people can use it. There is no restrictions. Like we can say it is a universal common thing. .in means it will give the identity like belongs to India. .com means it is like a universal. It is a common. Always try to take as a .com as a first priority. If that domain is not available in the .com, then you take a .in, .org, like that kind of the extension. Now you got the idea of domain. Let's see. I will do one blog today on the SEO. I will put this word on this, learn SEO. It will suggest what are the domains available here. What are the domains available? It is showing here. If you want to go with co.in, these all are the paid. These all are the paid. You have to pay every year amount for this. For learning, I am telling now free. We can do in the free only. Just one website we created. Right now it is telling learn SEO. Some extension it is coming because that exact subdomain is not there. What is the difference between main domain and subdomain? You see, everything is your own domain. You will get tips, software, experts. But here you are getting WordPress as a subdomain. But it is a free for learning. For your practicing, you can use these free blogs. Means we can make your own free blog here. No need to pay anything. Completely, it is a free process, and it is a lifetime also. And they have given what are the extensions are available here. If you want more extension, here they have given all the options. There are different type of extensions. Let's see. I will continue with the free. You want to check with some different domain also, you can do it. There is no learn SEO with expert. I will search. Let's see this is available or not. If it is available, it will show the availability. You can see down it is showing in the subdomain it is available. If you want in the .com you want to check, you can check with .com also. Yes, learn SEO with experts available, but it is the paid process. It is a paid process. Every year you have to pay this much amount for this. But right now I want to go with free. That's why I'm getting WordPress as a subdomain here. Let's say I will select. Okay, after selection also they are telling the type. Like if you want Premier package, which package you want to go, you can go with Premier package also. They are giving monthly bill also and yearly billing also. What are the supports you will get? They are telling here the options. If you go as a personal, they are giving the limited features. Here is there free domain for 1 year, dozens of free themes they are giving. Here are advanced customization they are giving in the 250 popularities. But if you want to go with free, no need to worry. This is just, you can say start with free. If you want to go with paid, you can choose these plans. Now I want to show you as a free, not sure. Start with free site, I will say. Now see the account is getting ready. Your website is getting ready. Now see, account is ready. Okay, let's see. If I open the domain, now we will get a by default theme. You can see this is the by default theme. This is the by default theme. They are telling to verify email ID. Let's see. I will verify it. It is there. You got a one WordPress link. Just you have to click on this and you have to confirm it. Okay, now I have verified it. It's asking to log in again. And it's asking option. Now it's logged in again. Means first time if you created an account, it will ask the option called verification. After verification, you will get this kind of options. Here you have to customize and all the things you can able to do. And here itself it will show your theme name also. You can see here is the theme name. Sorry, theme URL, like your blog URL. Okay, I will customize one by one and I will show you how it looks. Just I will remove this and I will run it. They're telling to launch it. If I make it as in a live, then only we can see the things. Okay, I will make it as a free only. You can see. That's why I will make it skip purchase. Continue with free. You can see now you have launched your site. If I click on visit a site, you can see you will get. Now this is my site. Here I will update the title, menu, and how to do it. I will explain you now completely. How to edit it and how to change the themes if you want different themes. Okay, for that here again admin we have to come. For designing aspect you have to come to design, and if you have to go for a customize. Once you click on the customizer, you will get here an option called site identity. You can see here is a site title. I will change with here learn SEO from expert. I am giving my title line. If you want, you can give me the tagline also. Become a expert in 90 days. I will say. Just I have given the title like that. You want whatever you can. If you want logo, you can add the logo also. Logo option also. Just you see, I have updated. Now I will make a refresh here. You see, the title is updated here. Same way by default, they have given some pages here in the menu. This is called it as a menu section. They have given by default. This is home, about us, contact, and this. You can see in this, I will add one more extra page and I will show you like how to do it and how to add it also. Before going, I will show you where you will get a menu option. Where you will get a menu option. Here itself, if you come to the menu, primary menu, you can see home, blog, about, contact. It is a by default already the pages are available. Means by default in the theme it will come. If you want to make anything change, you can make it also. Let's see, I will make it as a contact me. I will make it as a contact me. About, because if it is an individual person blog, then it will be about me and contact me. If it is a group or a association or a company, then we can say about us. Let's say I am making as a about me. Now see, it is changed here. Even though if you make it refresh here, it will also change. You can see here. Just I shown you how to change it, but I will add new page. I will show you how to add the new page also. For adding new page, you have to come back. There is an option called it as a pages. Under the site, you will get a pages here. By default, already existing pages all home, about, contact, blog. It is by default, it is existing. Now I am going to create a new one that is called training. You can see, just click on new. I am coming back again. Again, I will show you the option, add a new page. Page you have to use if it is a one-time requirement or a informational based. In that cases, you can create the page. Else, if it is an article, you have to create a post. I will tell you next how to create the post also. I will tell you, then you will get the idea. You can see by default, they are giving some template also for creating the page. You want a blank page or you want some inbuilt template, they are telling clearly. Just 1 second, it's loading. You can see here is they have given the some template also is there here. If you want, even though you can use this template and you can add it also. Let's see, I will take, this is the page and I will add it and I will customize it however I want. Now see, I will say use this team layout and I will say next. Publish. Under the publish, you have an option called, you can keep it as a private also, protected also. Means none of them has to see, only you has to see, then you can make it private. If somebody want to see but it has protected, then you can make it as a password basis. And you can say now publish. You can say you want to publish immediately or you want to make it as in a schedule. That is option also they have given. But right now I will click as a publish. Means it goes immediately the line. Here is their option. But for this, we can change the page title, everything. Let's see. I will come to back again editing. Just I choose the page layout, page theme. Come back. Right now it is saved as a theme. I will click on again edit. Okay, I will change the name. Just you have to select here and you have to say training. I will just specify the message. Whatever you want, you can just select it and you can name it. Control A means selection. You say Onyx Technologies provides training in digital. Just I'm showing the sample how to do it. Digital marketing and SEO. Means first line it is like a paragraph. We want to present like in 1 or 2 line what we are going to add in that. Now you got the idea. Okay, here I will add one SEO course and one digital marketing course. Okay, like I will customization. First one I will add a SEO. Again, you have to click here and just it is like a drag and drop and you have to edit easily. You can say now I am changing to SEO. Here also I will say but little difficulty in the editing first time, but if you once you've done, then you will get a clearly idea. You can say now I am changing here. Learn from basic to advanced. Just if you want to make a bold or any options, if you want to link, here is their option to editors. I will make it as a bold. You can see. I will select the text. I will click on bold. Now see, it is a bold now. I want to change the image. What is the solution? Yes, that is possible. Just you have to click on the replace. Okay. Before that, we will download the image. If you want anytime the free images, you can go to the Pixabay. It is a free resource. You can able to find the free images here. For if you're running any blog, we can use it. Let's say I will search as a SEO. Okay, top will not get, it is a paid, down is a free. Here you can use whichever the images you want. Let's say I will take a SEO image and I will download whatever size you want to download, but I am taking the basic version. Now it is downloaded. Second, I will take digital marketing image. Let's say I will come here and I will search here. Okay, here I will take one of the digital marketing image also. Let's say I will take it as an online marketing image. I will keep it. Okay, now online marketing also came. I will tell you how to replace now. Just we have to click on image, replace. Here is their option from which resource you want to do. Okay, I want to upload now because already I have downloaded. If you go for downloads, you will get an idea. Okay, SEO. Now SEO image is came. Whatever you want, again you can edit it text. I will write about some small things here. Okay, SEO is a job oriented courses. The online marketing. Just I'm not writing much content, just to sample. Here I don't want email, but I will connect to the Aponix website. I will say here one word, SEO training in Bangalore. And I will connect to the website, Aponix website. Okay, here I will connect to the SEO page. I will copy the content. I will add it. Okay, here I will select the text and here is the link option. We have to choose the link option and you have to add it. Means it will connect to the website. Okay, always if any external link is there, means apart from your website, it is an external link now. We have to use open new tab because it will connect to the external page. In that cases, we have to use it. That's the things. Now see, I will update. Now SEO section I have made it. Means the customization I have done. Same way the digital marketing also I will make it. Again, I will select the element. I will make it as a digital marketing. Okay, don't use the control options directly, just you can click it. We'll say here learn how to do online promotion. Here also I will add one word, just then I will change it. Best place to learn at Taponix Technologies. And again here also I will connect to the Aponix web page. For that I will mention digital marketing training in Bangalore. Here I will connect it as a link. Okay, how we will connect it? Just we have to copy it from the here and you have to use it. You can select the text and link it. Okay, I will choose. Again, I told you always external link means we have to open in the new tab. I will update it here now. Means totally 2 sections I have made, but image has to be replaced. Image not done. Let's say I will click on image. Okay, just a 1 second. Okay, we'll do the changes. We'll change the image. Again, I told you I need to upload an image. I'm selecting the image. I'm adding online marketing image here. The purpose of using the WordPress why means because it is a user friendly, no need of any technical skill, no need of any coding skill. Any person can be use this editor. That's why nowadays in the world approximately 40 to 50% of website is developed with the help of WordPress only. See, I have made it to third section. I don't want. Yeah, you can delete it. You will get an option here directly. Select here and remove the block. You can see 2 I have made. Okay. Here they have given one more section. If you click on any block, it will tell it is belongs to which block and where it is connected. Here is their option for you. Athava, you can note down the question. I will answer for your question at the end. Let's say I will rename it. It is like a in the one word what we can say it is a call to action button. This is the very important if you are generating any leads. In that cases it is a very important. Let's see. I will rename it and I will connect to the contact us page. Yes. Do you have any question? Okay. I will customize it and I will connect to the website. Where I will connect? I will connect to the Aponix contact us page. Let's see. I will update it. Now I have made it that changes in that training page. Okay. But right now it is not came here. If you want again, the training page has to be connected in this means you have to go to again the option called menu. In the admin section, you have to go for again call it as a menu. Under customization, under menu, under primary, add a menu. You can see here the pages came. Just you have to click here. It is came here. If you want training as a second section, you have an option to drag and drop also here. You can order it however you want. Let's say I will say save. Here is their option called training. Now see you got. If I click on the training, you will see now both SEO, both digital marketing. All the options. Let's say if I click on the digital marketing, it will take to the user upon its digital marketing page. If I click on the SEO, it will take to the users to the SEO page. This is the purpose. Okay, now we got the idea like how to do the things. If you want to make a one more section, one more thing, if you want to add, that is also possible. How to do it, I will show you once again. Again, I have to go for the page and I have to do it. Okay, it is under the pages, under the training, edit. Okay, here I will add a one more block here. If you want, just you click on here, you will get a plus sign. Plus indicates add a block. By default, you will get a futures here. It is a WordPress futures. If you want to see all, you can see it here. Like we can add anything. Just now I will add a one video from the. Okay, let's see. You can also search here, whichever you want. Let's see. I want YouTube video. Yes. Just you select it. It's asking the enter URL to embed. I will take the YouTube video / Apponix. Okay, here I will take, means I can embed the videos also here to see. Now see, I have copy pasted and I will say embedded. Your video also came here. If you want a caption, you can add caption. I will say testimonial from Roshan. Let's see. If you want to make a line, here is the option, align. Means they made everything user friendly. No need of coding skill, anything. Just we have to use as per your requirement. You can design and you can do it also. You can see. Okay. You can see the block.
I joined the Apponix for the digital marketing course, and whatever I learned here, so I got more what I was expected. The syllabus and the trainers were very good, and the syllabus compared to other institutes, whatever I thought, so I was expecting something, and I got what I was expected. and many more which is related to digital marketing. And about the trainers and all, they were very well, and the management is totally well hospitality, and it was so good to learn here. I personally endorsed digital marketing course from Upwork.
Okay, now see, I have embedded here. This is the options also. Now, if you want any sections, you can add the blocks here. That is the possible. Let's say now you got the idea about any pages. If you want, you can add a new page. If you want, you can customize it. It is there with you. Example, if you want contact us also, you can customize. If you want to create a new, you can create. If you don't want, you can delete. All options they have given here. If you want to set as a home page, you can set as a home page also. Let's see in the contact us a few more things I will update, and I will show you how it works. Let's say now I will take it. Here is their option. They have given by default itself contact page also. Okay, if you go for your blog, you will get a complete idea here. Here is the by default form and address, everything is here. We have to add now. Let's say I will make it whatever you want, you can apply. Reach us. I will say address. Address. Address also I am changing to whatever I want. Rajesh Nagar, Bangalore. So, India. Okay, if you don't want any sections, you can remove it also. If you want address, you have to enable it. And I am changing the email ID also. Whatever you want the option. Even though you want to connect with the Facebook, just you have to click on the respected social media. Then you have to add that particular link here. If you don't want complete section itself, even though you can just click on and you can say remove option. They made completely flexibility here. We can make it completely as per your requirement. Let's say I will make a refresh, the contact address also it will be changed. This is the main purpose. They have made it more friendly in the themes. That's why people prefer the WordPress for design blogs or for running the website, for making the e-commerce website, everything, because any person can be handle it if you don't need of the any technical skill also. Let's say now we have made pages. Now what is the post, where we have to post the article? That things I will show you. Here itself you have to make a one option called post. Okay, it is under the post. Right now here also they have given the option blog, you can say. Here also they have given the option called blog. Okay, right now it is showing some dummy articles, old one, introduce yourself, introduce, follow me. Okay, that articles are there here. But I don't want, these all are the dummy. Let's see, I will make it as in a trash. Okay, I will add a new post. Okay, in the new post also it will ask some of the factors. Some of the factors it will be asked. What are the factors and how to do it? That will be, we have to do it now. Let's say I will write a one article, importance of SEO. Okay, here I will write it the word. If you want any other parameters, you have to click here. You can say add a block. If you want image, you can add the image. If you want any things, you can add it here. Let's say I will add an image first. If you are getting, let's see, I will take it here. You can see images came. I have to select image. Already I have uploaded one image. It is in the media library. Let's see, I have selected images came. And down, I will write some content about it. That time, if you want any editor or anything, you can choose it from here. I will take it as an they have given some templates option also there. Okay, I will take a classic editor here. If you have a classic editor, you can make it easy way you can edit it. Now see, you will get this feature in the classic editor. I will make it as a bullet format. Yes, it's free service from Google, I can say. Then we can increase the visibility of the website. And third factors comes improve brand name and traffic to website, generate the leads, SEO helps in increasing organic traffic. What is organic traffic? If anybody comes from the Google via the link, like without ads, that is called it as an organic traffic. If they come with any ad clicks, any ads, that will consider as a paid traffic. Let's say I will show you one just a sample. What is the organic? What is the paid? Example, I will search here digital marketing training in Bangalore. You can see this is all are the paid. ADM indicates it is an advertisement. It is a paid traffic. If anybody click, that will consider as a paid traffic. And whatever the people will click from here, that will be considered as a free traffic. Those will be considered as a free traffic. Just a sample I have told you. Next. Now I have made it. I will click on the publish. Here you can see one more important thing you have to select featured image. Okay. If you have to select the featured image, if you not select the featured image, it will automatically pick from the your article. Already we have used it. Else we have to choose means that will be shown on the top of the web page. Let's say I will make it as a publish. And I will click on view web post. Now see, this is your post. Means any article is there that we have to do under the blog. Means those will go under the blog. Whatever the post will post, that will go under the blog. You can say first article is importance of the SEO, and it will show it is written by which person also. Like always, if you have any blog articles or anything you are writing, you have to post under the section of post. Whatever you will do in the post section, that will go under the blog section as a page. If you want to make your profile name has a different name, then we have to change it here. That is the options they have given. They have given the option to add. They have given option to about me. You can write it. Okay, this is the one way I told you now about the idea of article. Now, how to make the money via blog? How to make the money via blog? There is a two way you can make the monies. Okay, I will show you. There is a two way you can make the money. One is via Google AdSense, and second one is YouTube monetization. But it is like a both is interrelated. Okay, one is YouTube monetization. But if you want to make a Google AdSense via, what is the criteria and what is the eligibility? Okay, your domain should be 6 month old. 6 month old. It should be a 6 month old, and you should have minimum 20 articles in the web page. Minimum 20 articles you should have in the web page, and that is also unique content, not a duplicate. If you copy it from somewhere and if you add, it will not support. That should be also a unique content. That is also a unique content. You have to add it. Even though if you have a own domain, that is the better. Even though it will support for subdomain also, but if you have a own domain, that is a more better. Means this is the way also you can make the money via Google AdSense. How Google AdSense show? Just I will show you one sample how the ad will show in the website. Let's see. I have blocked it here. I will enable it. Now see, this is the ad. Like this way, you have to give the space in your blog, and Google will show their ads, and based on that view and based on the clicks, they will pay you money for. That is called it as an AdSense program. For doing the AdSense program, you should have your domain minimum 6 month old and minimum 20 article you have, and unique content should be have. You should not have a duplicate content. And one more rule, you should have a privacy policy page. Privacy policy page. And you should have a about me page, and you should have a contact page also. Maybe about us or contact us or about me or a contact me. These are the pages you should have minimum. If anything is not meet policy, that time they will chances of canceling the idea. How to apply? I will show you this now. Which website you have to go for applying Google AdSense program? You have to go for Google AdSense. Okay, Google AdSense. Okay, here you have to apply. This is the website for applying the AdSense program. They have given complete details about also how it works and what is the benefit is, how to do it, how to make the profit. You have to sign in with Google AdSense program, and you have to register with your blog or your website. They will look more into the content of your web page unique. How much will be the unique and how much the content will be refreshed in your website, that much it will take a priority. This is the one of the factor, and it is if you are more interested in the contenting the right, this is it will work for you. No, I want to do with video. Yes, that is also possible. What you have to do, you have to run you have to create a YouTube channel. You can do with the YouTube also. You have to make your own YouTube channel and you have to do it. Let's say I will show you one sample on the video. Example, I will click on the video. You can see always they will show the ad. You can see this is the ad only. They are showing totally 2 ads on the top. But this ad credit and sorry amount will go to the home this particular channel because they have already associated Jankar Music. Already they have associated with YouTube monetization program. But what is the eligibility for that? That is also matters. For YouTube monetization, first thing is you should have a channel. First thing is you should have channel. Have channel. And second thing, you should have minimum of 1K subscribers. 1K subscribers in last 12 months. They will say in the last 12 months, any months. But in that 12 months, you have to be gain 1K subscribers. And 1K subscribers. And one more rule is 4K watch hour. Means that many watch hour has to be happened in the 1 year. 1 year means 12 months. 1K subscriber and 4K watch hour. If it is happened for your YouTube channel, then Google will allow for you YouTube monetization. Else they will not allow you for the YouTube monetization. That is the criteria for the YouTube. Both programs are free. It is not a paid also. It is a completely free. No need to any amount, no any subscription charge, nothing. And how you will get the money? Via directly it will ask the account detail. Through that you can able to wire transfer they will do if you enter all the details. But there is a one limit is there for this. It has to be reach minimum $100 to accept the money. Minimum $100. Minimum $100 has to be happen to get a money. Means they will process minimum $100 every time. No, I have done $10 is already in my account. No, they will not allow. They will not give itself. That is their criteria and their policy. Let's see this ad itself. I will run and I will show you. Again, I will run. Second ad will start now. Okay, they have given only one ad. But what is the criteria? What is the things you need? You need a good quality video. You have to publish if you want. Then only you can able to get a subscribers. Then only you can able to get a more watch time. If the video quality not good and no proper content, then you will not get subscriber. You will not get first time. Then you are not eligible for the YouTube monetization. Because of that is the reason only you have to prepare the, because even though nowadays the Google is more strict about this, because of that is the reason. If you're not with proper video, if you're not with, and the content violation should not be there. Some categories they will not allow. This is the second way you can make the money. And third way is sponsored ads. That is called sponsor ads. Sponsored ads means you should get a good number of website traffic, then the people will ready to give the sponsored ads on your website. That is a one way. And second way, sponsored video. You are already good at one industry, you have a good subscribers, then people will say you can talk about my product, I will pay this much amount for you. But that is possible only with the help of if you have a good number of followers. I told you yesterday also influencer marketing. It is like a indirectly, this is the one of the way. Influencer marketing also the make the money via promotions. Same way in this problem. Okay, what are the things you should be have for getting a sponsored ads? One is good traffic to the website. That is a one option. Other option, if you have a YouTube channel, then you should have a good subscribers. Because they will, then only they will come to you, they will approach you. If no traffic to your website, no subscriber to your channel, no one will contact you for the sponsored ads. Once you are getting a good number of sponsored ads, then no need to depend on Google ads also that time. Means with the help of the, in the one word I can say, the purpose of doing the blog, why we have to do the blogging or vlogging. If you're interested in the vlogging, you can do vlogging. It will help in improving the skills. That is the one option. And it will help in writing the content. Just 1 second. I will connect the charger. Okay. Sponsored ads, I told you, like it is the way, only the thing is, initially will not get sponsored ads. Initially we have to depend on the Google AdSense and YouTube monetization. Initially, if you want resource, when you will get a AdSense sponsored ads, you have to be get a good number of traffic or a good subscriber. Means stage by stage I am telling here. Once you are getting this deals, then no need to worry about this, because you will make a more money on this only. That's why if you have any skills or any expertise in your domain, you can start doing the blog. You will get a free version also, you will get a paid version also, whichever you want, you can do it. Through that you can explore your knowledge and it will help your skills also. That is the main purpose. Okay, if you have any questions about today's topic, you can ask me the question. I will share you the link, quiz link, in another 2 minutes. I will give 5 minutes time for questions. You can ask the question.